Welcome to Trail Days 2018. We're here at Gregory, and this is Lindsay. She's one of the marketing folks here at Gregory.
Yep.
And she's going to walk us through not just what's going on with Gregory, but all the cool little fun things they also do as well. So, Lindsay, I know that you got a pack that you're kind of excited about.
We do.
All right. What is that?
We made an ultralight pack, everybody. This is the new Optic 58. We also have a women's one, which is the Octal, and so they're between 2.3 and 2.2 and 2.5 pounds, depending on the size you get. And we're stoked because they're still like a fully featured pack, amazing comfort, ventilated back panel, but they're going to be super lightweight. So for everybody who's been asking and begging and pleading for us to make an ultralight, finally did it. Finally did it.
Thank you.
You guys.
You know what the load capacity is on the Optic?
The what? Sorry?
The load capacity?
Oh, 25 to 30 depending on the size.
All right.
Yep.
Perfect.
So you can't bring everything but the kitchen sink, but you can bring a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I think most of the folks that are going lightweight should be able to fit in that.
You shouldn't be putting 30 pounds in it
No,
anyway.
probably not.
But you can if you need to.
Yeah.
So,
Awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. So what other things you got going on here at Gregory?
Well, so at Trail Days here, where it is now raining, because
Yeah.
it's Trail Days and it rains at Trail Days.
Absolutely.
We're out here repairing packs, so you can see. Oh, they're not being repaired at this exact moment. But we've got a Jade here, getting some zippers fixed, I think. And then I think we're replacing a suspension over here,
Oh,
fixing
sweet.
somebody's pack up right there.
Is this at no cost to hikers?
This is no cost to hikers. And we've actually had a couple people that showed up and they had bought the wrong size pack. And so they were uncomfortable, and we were like, hey guys, we think that you might be the wrong size. And so we hooked them up with a free new pack that was the right size.
Awesome.
So Making Hikers Day is what we're trying to do here. We're doing raffles, we're doing giveaways, we're playing darts, as you can see.
Darts.
Yep.
I like darts.
It's a little bit dangerous, you know, with through hikers and the little danger zone, but
Yeah, especially there's a little bit of alcohol involved.
there may or may not be some of that, you know, going on at Trail Days also. So, and the parade's in like an hour, so everybody's kind of getting ready. So the rain usually comes right before the parade.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a tradition.
Yeah.
Everyone's
It rained on my parade last year.
Yeah, which is it's good.
Nah.
Yeah.
Awesome. And you guys got a little raffle going on here at 4 o'clock, I think.
We have some sandwiches too if you're
Oh,
hungry. You got
are you?
a
Whoa, someone already
lunch.
took a
Lunch
bite.
is served.
Great.
We'll make
We
you
like
a new
that.
one.
Oh, thank you. You're so hospitable.
Yeah.
Awesome.
We're doing raffles at 4 and hanging out, taking people for packs, fixing packs. We've seen some really cool pack hacks. I wish I had my phone, I could show you. People have made pocket extenders on their hip belts.
Really?
I have a photo, I'll show you later.
Sweet.
A guy had a swy flatter holster. Like, through hikers are some of the most creative people in the world.
Awesome.
This is the Gregory team. We've got one of our designers, one of our developers here, Irma, who fixes and repairs all of our packs.
Hi, Irma.
She's been at Gregory for almost 25 years.
Wow.
Yay!
Thank you for your 25 years of service.
And then 2 of our local reps here, Stacy and
Sweet.
Cole.
Awesome.
Stacy through hiked, what, 2015?
2014, yeah.
2014.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I'm 2016.
2016, nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Cool.
So we love the Trail Days community for sure.
This is awesome. I'll tell you guys, there's a good vibe going on here. I like the vibe in Gregory, for sure. Having a lot of fun here, and definitely leave an impression on me. So check out Gregory, and the Optic, will link it below in the show notes.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Lindsay.